What is liquidity? Liquidity is the concept of having an ability to quickly convert assets into cash. The reason why you would want to have a large amount of liquid assets is to handle any short-term obligations your business may have. Some examples of short-term obligations may include accounts payable to vendors and suppliers or payroll wages for employees. Cash is considered to be the most liquid type of asset, while other things like specialized machinery would have a low liquidity since it would be very difficult to turn around and quickly sell that asset for cash. To learn more about this topic and many others through audio lectures, video lectures, and study guides, head over to www.thelearningbeanonline.com. Link is in the description below. If you have any questions, add them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we know to answer more of your questions.